On today's menu, a noodle recipe that will have you carried away. Vegan Singapore style noodles. Lei Homa, I'm Yeung. Welcome to my channel where I'll help you cook with confidence. Now, if you love noodle recipes like I do, you'll definitely want to check out my vegan ramen cookbook in the link above or a link in the description box below. Now, this cookbook has incredible soup-based and not soup-based noodle recipes that are incredibly easy to make and absolutely delicious, as well as some side dishes, some salads, and some incredibly easy to make drinks. Shameless plug over. Now, this Singapore style noodle recipe is actually not originated from Singapore, it's actually Cantonese, but it's incredibly delicious and, of course, super easy to make. Bring a pot of water to boil for the noodles. 1 shallot, thinly sliced. Small piece of ginger, finely chopped. 2 pieces of garlic, finely chopped. A quarter of a red bell pepper, finely sliced. Quarter of a green bell pepper, finely sliced. Crumble 1 cup worth of extra firm tofu. Chop a generous bunch of green onion into batons. Right, so traditionally, Singapore noodles is made with vermicelli rice noodles, but I really just could not find them anywhere. So these are the thinnest rice noodles that I could find. And a 1 pound package is good for 4 portions. So we're going to use a quarter of this package. Soak your noodles in hot water for 2 minutes. Shake out the excess starch from the noodles. Strain the noodles and set aside. Now this step is absolutely crucial. Make sure you get as much of that starch out of those noodles as possible so when you go to stir fry it, it's not going to clump and stick together. Saute pan, medium-high heat. Couple tablespoons grapeseed oil. Saute the shallots, garlic, and ginger for a minute. Tofu. Peppers. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Noodles. 1 tablespoon curry powder. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. Half cup water. Use the water to deglaze the pan. Green onions. Alright, so traditionally they cook this in a wok, and this particular method is definitely not traditional. But I don't have a wok, so just gonna have to make do with a stainless steel. But cooking it this way, I promise you, you won't have anything sticking in the pan once you deglaze everything. When the noodles are fully cooked, it's done. Plate. Green onion. You can now make this amazing Singapore-style noodles with absolute confidence. So incredibly easy and absolutely delicious. That is incredible. The noodles are perfectly cooked because you give it that little bit of extra love. And it's salty, it's spicy, just so delicious and so easy to put together. Definitely remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.